Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you're excited about cutting-edge tech, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Imagine a smartphone with zero bezels and an edgeless display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to turn this fantasy into reality. It's been over 6 years since Apple introduced the iPhone X with its stunning edge-to-edge display and Face ID. Now they're taking it up a notch with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Reports suggest it will feature the world's narrowest bezels on a smartphone, just 1.53 millimeters wide on all sides. For context, the current iPhone 14 Pro Max has bezels around 1.8 millimeters wide. This reduction promises an immersive viewing experience where bezels practically disappear, making movies and games feel more captivating than ever. To achieve these thin bezels, Apple is employing a border reduction structure (BRS) technology, bending wiring and circuitry near the display edge. This innovation allows for thinner bezels without compromising screen functionality. Let's talk cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to feature 48 megapixel sensors for both wide and ultra-wide lenses, promising superior image quality and better low-light performance. The return of 5x optical zoom and the rumored spatial video feature could redefine how we capture and view content in 3 dimensions. Battery life matters, and Apple seems to be addressing it with a 4,676 mAh battery, the largest ever in an iPhone. Expect more usage time throughout the day. Plus, with the move to USB-C, faster charging will get you back to full power in no time. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will sport the new A18 chip on a 3nm process, promising better performance and battery efficiency. The enhanced neural engine for AI tasks will improve everything from photography to app responsiveness. Lastly, iOS 18 brings generative AI features, a smarter Siri, and overall better performance. These updates will make your iPhone more intuitive and efficient than ever before. That's all for today's video on the iPhone 16 Pro Max leaks and rumors. Which feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.